Let's see Poppo Live VIP daily reward. Hello guys, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. I'll be sharing with you Poppo Live VIP daily reward. The first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppo Live account. The next thing is to click on the profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on it, you're going to see an option called VIP. Just click on it. Clicking on it, you're going to see a first exclusive privilege there that says receive coin. So these are the reward you're going to receive. You're going to receive this particular amount of coin daily as a VIP on this platform. As a normal VIP on this platform, you're going to receive 3,500 coin daily for being a VIP, a normal VIP. We have the other one for super VIP. This particular VIP receives 16,000 coin as a super VIP daily. You also have for diamond VIP. This particular VIP receives 35,000 coin daily as a diamond VIP. We also have for super VIP X VIP. This particular VIP is same as super VIP. It receives 35,000 coin daily as a SVIP. So guys, these are the VIPs that we have on our Poppo Live and the exclusive benefits, our privilege of being VIP. They receive this particular amount as a VIP. If this video was helpful, do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.